This is the polishing guy again on second video of the motorcycle parts. We got most of them finished now, so just wanted to make this video to show you some stuff that are finished. And the pipe, you've seen the first video where it was a lot of rust on them and that. These are now cleaned up, so got a little bit more to do on it. Put wicked polish on it or diamond, white diamond on it to make it a little bit more shinier. So if you want your motorcycle parts polished, call the polishing guy now at 905-914-5044. Again, polishing guy at 905-914-5044.